Grain Credit Score Tool Review. Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Grain, a credit score tool designed to help you monitor and improve your credit score in a straightforward and user-friendly way. Links to the product and more details are provided in the description below, so make sure to check those out. Grain is a modern credit score tool that simplifies the process of tracking and improving your credit. What sets it apart from other tools is its seamless integration with your financial life. The app pulls data directly from your bank account to provide a comprehensive view of your spending habits and how they affect your credit. This gives you a more dynamic, real-time snapshot of your financial health, rather than relying on static monthly credit reports. One of the standout features of Grain is its focus on credit building. It offers a credit builder feature, which allows you to set up automated savings deposits that contribute to a line of credit. This means that even if you have a limited or poor credit history, you can start building your score gradually without taking on significant debt. The app also provides personalized credit tips based on your activity, helping you improve your credit health over time. Grain is made for anyone looking to manage and improve their credit score, particularly those who are new to credit, have a low score, or want to track changes over time. It's ideal for people who want a hands-off way to improve their credit without the complexities of traditional credit management. Overall, Grain offers an innovative approach to credit score tracking and building, providing easy-to-understand tools and real-time insights into your credit. Whether you're new to credit or looking to boost your score, Grain provides an accessible solution. Check out the links in the description to learn more and start using it today.